The Seamless Symphony: How ERP Systems Transformed a Struggling Business. Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there existed a small manufacturing company named Evergreen Industries. For years, Evergreen had been producing high-quality furniture, but lately, its operations had become a chaotic mess. Orders were being lost, inventory levels were unpredictable, and communication breakdowns between departments were causing delays and frustration. The company's profit margins were shrinking, and its reputation was slowly eroding. One day, a new CEO named Amelia took the reins of Evergreen Industries. She was determined to turn the company around and make it flourish once more. Amelia realized that in order to bring about this transformation, she needed to address the root causes of the company's problems. After conducting a thorough analysis, she identified that the lack of coordination and integration across various departments was the main culprit. Amelia had heard about enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems, which were software solutions designed to streamline business processes, automate tasks, and provide real-time data visibility across all departments. Recognizing the potential benefits of implementing an ERP system, she embarked on a journey to introduce this transformative technology to Evergreen Industries. The implementation process was no small feat. It required significant investment, time, and effort. Amelia assembled a team of experts to evaluate different ERP vendors, assess their offerings, and select the one that aligned best with Evergreen's need. After careful deliberation, they chose an ERP system that promised to seamlessly integrate all business processes, from order management and inventory control to production scheduling and financial management. As the ERP system was rolled out, changes started happening rapidly within Evergreen Industries. Each department was linked to a central database, allowing them to access real-time information and communicate effortlessly. Previously, time-consuming tasks like data entry, report generation, and reconciling inventory counts became automated, freeing up employees to focus on higher-value activities. The benefits of the ERP system quickly became evident. Orders were processed more efficiently, leading to faster delivery times and increased customer satisfaction. Inventory levels were now accurate and predictable, reducing excess stock and wastage. The finance department gained greater visibility into the company's financial health, enabling more informed decision-making. The production department could now plan and allocate resources with precision, optimizing the production process. Communication breakdowns were a thing of the past. Instead, a culture of collaboration and data-driven decision-making emerged. Employees were no longer bogged down by tedious manual tasks, and their roles evolved to become more strategic and analytical. With improved data accuracy and accessibility, managers could make timely adjustments to their strategies, resulting in better overall performance. Over time, Evergreen Industries' bottom line improved significantly. The company's profitability soared as waste was minimized, operational efficiency increased, and customer satisfaction grew. The positive changes also extended beyond financial metrics. Employee morale and engagement levels surged as the company became a more enjoyable and productive place to work. The story of Evergreen Industries serves as a powerful reminder of the transformative impact that ERP systems can have on businesses. Through the integration of processes, automation of tasks, and centralization of information, ERP systems create a harmonious symphony that orchestrates success across all facets of an organization. Just as in this tale, the right ERP system can turn a struggling business into a thriving one, where efficiency, collaboration, and growth flourish in harmony.